Hello students. So let's start with some of the limitations of Mendelian inheritance. As I said that some of the traits do not follow Mendelian inheritance. For example, when a true breeding variety of 4 o'clock plant, this is a plant 4 o'clock with red flower, is crossed with true breeding variety of white flower, the heterozygote offspring in F1 generation is pink flower. That is, it is an intermediate. F1 upon selfing, it produces 1 red, 2 pink and 1 white flowers. This phenomena is known as incomplete dominance. So here none of the dominant and recessive characters has been expressed completely. We are getting an intermediate color. See the diagram. See here students, we are crossing a plant with red flower and a plant with white flower. Here this red flower, it is capital C, this is dominant and this character is recessive. White flowers are recessive. And when I cross these two in F1 generation, I got all pink flowers. I didn't get red, I didn't get white, I got an intermediate, that is pink flowers. So this is one of the limitations of some of the traits. As I said, they don't follow Mendelian inheritance. According to Mendelian inheritance, law of dominance, we should got here the dominant characters, isn't it? But here we are getting an intermediate, that is pink flower. Now for F2 generation, when we will do selfing of this F1 phenotype. So after selfing, we will get 1 flower red, 2 flower pink and 1 flower white. So these are the parental, they retain the parental characters, but these are the intermediate characters. So here we can say that the phenotypic ratio and the genotypic ratio, it will be same, 1:2:1 for both of these, right? And this incomplete dominance, it is shown by a flower 4 o'clock plant. Now another example which again deviates from Mendelian inheritance is codominance. In some cases, both the alleles are active in the heterozygote condition, and this phenomena is called as codominance. For example, the human ABO blood group. So what happens? Human ABO blood group, it is controlled by a gene I. And this gene I, it has 3 alleles that are IA, IB and O. And here you can see, we know that this A and B, these are dominant alleles and O is recessive. So if in a genotype of human being, if IA and IA, if the offspring receives IA from one parent and IA from another parent, the blood group will be A. If the offspring receives IA from one parent and IO from another parent, since A is dominant over O, so the blood group will be A. If the offspring receives IB from one parent and IB from another parent, then the blood group will be B. If it receives IB from one parent and IO from another parent, since B is dominant over O, so the genotype, the blood group of the offspring will be B. If it receives IA from one parent and IB from another parent, and here we know that both IA and IB are dominant, so both the genes, both the alleles are expressed, the blood group will be AB. So this is an example of codominance. both the genes, both the alleles are dominant, and as a result both the alleles are expressed. But in incomplete dominance, we have seen none of the alleles were dominant, so we got an intermediate state. But here, since both of them are dominant, so both are expressed. If the offspring receives IO from one parent and IO from another parent, then the blood group is O. So here you can see three alleles, A, O and B. Three alleles are there. So this human ABO blood group, it is an example of codominance, plus this is also an example of multiple alleles. We'll come to that in the next topic. So in codominance, both the alleles of a gene are expressed simultaneously, and these are expressed together. So these were some of the examples that do not follow Mendelian inheritance. They deviate from Mendelian inheritance.